These are solutions to Math 120 exam number 2. Number 1, the domain, -3, -5, and 11. Range is 10, 16, 30. It is a function. There's no repetition of x in my list, so it is a function. Number 2, f of 5 is 5 minus 3, which is 2. G of 7 is -3 times 7, which is -21, plus 2 is -19. Therefore, f of 5 plus g of 7, I just add the 2 minus 19, -17. Number 3, f of g of 2. G of 2 is 11. If you plug in 5 times 2 is 10, minus 21 is -11. F of -11 is -4 times -11 minus 1, 44 minus 1, 43. Number 4, y varies inversely with the square of x, so y equals k over x squared. Put 50 here, 5 here, 50 equals k over 5 squared, which is 25. Multiply both sides by 5 squared. So k is 50 times 5 squared, 1,250. So y is 1250 over x squared. And now I plug in x equals 4. So y is 1250 over 4 squared, 78.125. 5, solve by graphing. So I graph the first line and the second line. X plus y equals 7 has intercepts 0, 7, and 7, 0. Looks like that. Second line, x minus y equals 3 has intercepts 0, -3, and 3, 0. Connect the dots. Where do they touch? They touch at the point 5, 2. Number 6, multiply the first equation by -2. X minus 3y equals 4 multiplied by -2. Leave this one alone. -2x plus 6y equals -8. Add the two equations, everything cancels out, you get 0 over 0. That's a case of infinitely many solutions. The lines actually coincide, they represent the same line. 7, 3x minus 2y equals 1, x plus 5y equals 6. Subtract 5y on both sides of this equation. X equals 6 minus 5y. Now that I've isolated x, I plug it back into this equation. 3 times 6 minus 5y minus 2y equals 1. Distribute 18 minus 15y minus 2y equals 1. Subtract 18 on both sides. -17y equals -17. Divide by -17. Y equals 1. Plug back in right here. X equals 6 minus 5 times 1. 6 minus 5 is also 1. So 1, 1. Number 8, let x be the amount invested at 6%. Y is the amount at 7%. The total amount was 2,000. So x plus y equals 2,000. 6% of x, 0.06x, plus 7% of y, 0.07y, is equal to 130. Multiply the second equation by 100 to get rid of the decimals. Okay, and I realize that's going to give me a 6x plus 7y. So if that's a 6x, I multiply the top equation by -6, so that at this stage, when I add, the equations don't cancel out. So -6x minus 6y equals -12,000. 6x plus 7y equals 13,000. Add them up. Y is $1,000 at 7%, and X is also $1,000 at 6%. Okay, that's question 8. There was no question 9 and 10. Pretend there's a bogus question 9 and 10, and you automatically got 10 points on each, provided that you took the exam and submitted the homework on time. So that was exam number 2.